Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share a story about how a simple conversation with a friend completely changed the way I use my computer. If you're someone who's stuck in a love-hate relationship with Windows or just curious about Linux, this video is for you. It was early 2022 when I decided to visit a friend, Atul. At that time, I had just started learning web development and was super excited about it. So naturally, when I met Atul, I couldn't wait to share the news. After listening to me, Atul got excited too. And then he asked me something that I honestly hadn't thought much about. What operating system are you using to write your code? I told him I was using Windows 11, and I went on a little rant about my love-hate relationship with it. Random updates, performance issues, weird bugs when I least expect them. Atul then hit me with another question. Have you considered using Linux? And I just looked at him like, no. Back then I had very limited knowledge about Linux. In my head, Linux was just Ubuntu, and honestly, I didn't like how Ubuntu looked. Atul just laughed and said, "Have you even tried any other Linux distributions?" And I was like, "Wait, what? There are others?" That's when he pulled up the Linux distribution's forks diagram, and let me tell you, my mind was blown. It was like a giant family tree of Linux distros, and I had no idea so many options existed. Atul then explained the benefits of using Linux, especially for web development. He told me how easy it was to install packages, how I wouldn't have to deal with random Windows issues, and how it was super customizable. This conversation was exactly what I needed. Someone guiding me through what seemed like a huge shift. So I came home and started researching. And guess what? Pop! OS 22.04 had just been released, and YouTube was flooded with videos about it. I checked out a couple of Reddit threads and decided, alright, let's give this a shot. The installation was super easy. It worked flawlessly, and because I had an Nvidia card, I went with the Pop! OS Nvidia edition. Worked right out of the box. I felt like I had everything I needed to troubleshoot and learn as I went. So, how did Linux compare to Windows 11 for web development? Honestly, it was a breath of fresh air. No random slowness, no forced updates, just a smooth, efficient system. Setting up my development environment was actually easier than I expected, and once I got used to the workflow, there was no looking back. I'm so glad Atul introduced me to Linux. The small conversation changed my entire approach to computing, and if you're someone who's considering making the switch, trust me, it's worth it. Linux might seem intimidating at first, but it's worth it. No more bloatware, no more forced updates. Just a fast, stable system that you control. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Linux content. And let me know in the comments which Linux distro are you thinking of trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.